Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric pressure cookers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium model packed with features, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Comfy 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker, the most budget-friendly option on our list. Priced at just $65.98, this cooker offers incredible value for money while still delivering a versatile cooking experience. With 9 functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, and even yogurt making, it's a multitasker designed to simplify your kitchen routine. It also boasts 14 programmable presets, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes with minimal effort. Design-wise, the Comfy pressure cooker is compact and lightweight at just over 13 pounds, making it easy to store and move around. The non-stick aluminum inner pot ensures cleanup is quick and hassle-free, although it is not dishwasher safe. It also comes with a user-friendly control panel and a 24-hour delay timer, which is perfect for meal planning. Safety features like overheat protection and an auto pressure release system further add to its appeal. In terms of performance, the 1,000-watt power output ensures fast and efficient cooking. While it's not as feature-rich as some of the higher-end models, it's perfect for small households or those new to pressure cooking. However, the lack of advanced customization options and the absence of a stainless steel inner pot may be a downside for some. Overall, the Comfy 9-in-1 is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want a reliable, no-frills electric pressure cooker. Coming in at number 4 is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini, a compact powerhouse designed for smaller households or those who need an additional cooker for side dishes. With a 3-quart capacity, it's perfect for couples, singles, or anyone short on counter space. Despite its small size, it packs in 7 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, and even yogurt making. It also features 11 one-touch smart programs, making it incredibly easy to prepare a variety of meals. The build quality is impressive, with a stainless steel inner pot that features a durable tri-ply bottom for even heat distribution. The compact design, combined with its lightweight build of just over 8 pounds, makes it easy to store and transport. Cleanup is effortless, too, thanks to the dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot. Safety is also a priority, with over 10 safety mechanisms, including overheat protection and a locking lid. Performance-wise, this 700-watt cooker delivers consistent results, cooking meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. It's a fantastic option for busy individuals who want quick and healthy meals. However, the smaller capacity may be limiting for larger families or those who like to meal prep in bulk. Overall, the Instant Pot Duo Mini offers excellent performance and versatility in a compact package, making it a great choice for small spaces or secondary use. At number 3, we have the Cosori pressure cooker, a versatile and feature-packed option that strikes a solid balance between functionality and price. With 9 cooking functions, including sous vide, slow cooking, and sautéing, this 6-quart cooker is designed to handle a wide range of recipes. It also comes with 13 customizable presets and a unique safer venting design, which keeps your hands away from steam during pressure release. The Cosori stands out with its thoughtful design. The fingerprint-resistant stainless steel exterior gives it a sleek, modern look, while the ceramic-coated non-stick aluminum inner pot ensures easy cleanup. The control panel is intuitive, with a real-time progress bar that lets you monitor your cooking at a glance. Weighing just under 12 pounds, it's relatively lightweight for its size, and all removable parts are dishwasher-safe for added convenience. In terms of performance, the 1100-watt power output ensures fast and consistent cooking results. The Cosori also includes 12 safety features, such as overheat protection and a double-layer anti-scalding lid, making it a safe option for families. However, some users may find the aluminum inner pot less durable than stainless steel alternatives. Ideal for medium-sized households, the Kosori offers a combination of advanced features and user-friendly design, making it a strong contender in the mid-range category. Taking the number 2 spot is the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker, a tried-and-true favorite for larger households. With an 8-quart capacity, this cooker is perfect for meal prepping, batch cooking, or feeding a big family. It offers 7 cooking functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, and yogurt making, along with 13 customizable smart programs for everything from soups to cakes. The design is both robust and practical, featuring a durable stainless steel inner pot with a tri-ply bottom for even heat distribution. The easy-release steam switch makes it simple and safe to release pressure, while the dishwasher-safe components ensure quick cleanup. At nearly 16 pounds, it's on the heavier side, but its sturdy build quality justifies the weight. With a powerful 1200-watt motor, this Instant Pot cooks meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods, saving you time and energy. The comprehensive safety features, including overheat protection and a locking lid, provide peace of mind during use. While it's on the pricier side at $129.99, its large capacity and reliable performance make it an excellent investment for busy families or avid cooks who want to streamline their kitchen workflow. Finally, at number 1, we have the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 multi-cooker, the ultimate all-rounder for anyone seeking versatility and convenience. With 9 cooking functions, including sous vide, sterilizing, and yogurt making, this 6-quart pressure cooker is designed to handle even the most demanding cooking tasks. It also features 15 customizable smart programs and an intuitive display that shows cooking time, temperature, and pressure in real time. The Duo Plus boasts excellent build quality with a stainless steel inner pot that's durable and easy to clean. The detachable power cord simplifies storage, while the included accessories, such as extra sealing rings and a steam rack, add even more value. Weighing just over 12 pounds, it's easy to handle and fits comfortably on most kitchen counters. Performance-wise, the 1,000-watt motor delivers fast and consistent results. Whether you're pressure cooking a hearty stew or slow cooking a delicate dessert, the advanced safety features, including overheat protection and an easy seal lid, ensure worry-free operation. While it's priced at the higher end of the spectrum, its comprehensive feature set and reliable performance make it worth every penny. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is the ideal choice for home cooks who want a premium, feature-packed appliance that can do it all. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding which electric pressure cooker is right for you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. See you in the next video.